Hi there, and welcome to another episode of Ask Tom. My name's Tom Whitlock, I'm a business development consultant for Clifton Asset Management. In today's episode, we're taking a look back at one of our interviews as part of our Ask Tom Clips series. Without further ado, let's take a look now.
One of the things that most people are very well aware of that you can do with a pension is you can pay money into it and you can use it to buy shares. That's probably the basic end of it. Do you want to start with that and maybe build up to some of the more technical things that people might do in certain circumstances?
Yeah, sure, Tom, no problem. I think for many people, they concentrate on putting money into a pension. And then to a certain extent, they can be forgiven for not really understanding what happens to the money that's gone into the pension once it's in there. They receive statements, they receive updates, but it's very much a big box in which sits various machinations and goodness knows what. Typically, with an insurance company pension of the type that we're all familiar with, you will see funds comprising different offerings. And actually, when you strip those away to their bare details, whether they're unit trusts or open-ended investment companies or whatever it happens to be, you are effectively using your pension to invest in shares issued by companies. And those companies are typically large multinational listed companies, i.e. companies that sit on an index, a stock exchange of some sort, the FTSE 100 being a classic example. So you are indirectly investing in one or indeed many of these companies, but at such a microscopic level as not to make an individual difference. And so the pension is invested, and it goes on behind the scenes. And if dividends are awarded, the pension schemes benefit from the dividends, capital appreciation of share price, and so on. So in terms of pensions 101, the vanilla option, if you like, is having these largely sort of nameless, faceless fund managers investing money on your behalf, and that tends to be something that most people are familiar with.